Geotechnical investigation services are an essential aspect of any construction project, ensuring the safety and stability of the structures being built. When it comes to geotechnical investigation services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, one name that stands out is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned engineering firm that specializes in providing comprehensive geotechnical investigation services to clients in Sadar Bazar and beyond. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design offers a wide range of geotechnical investigation services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. These services include soil testing, rock testing, ground improvement techniques, foundation design, slope stability analysis, and much more. By conducting detailed site investigations and analysis, SCON Design ensures that the project's foundation is designed in accordance with the site's specific geotechnical conditions. Sadar Bazar, located in the heart of Delhi, is a bustling commercial area with numerous ongoing construction projects. Geotechnical investigation services are particularly crucial in this area due to its diverse soil composition and high construction density. SCON Design recognizes the significance of providing accurate and reliable geotechnical investigation services in Sadar Bazar to ensure the safety and longevity of the structures being developed. One of the key aspects that sets SCON Design apart from its competitors is its commitment to using state-of-the-art technology and equipment for geotechnical investigations. They employ advanced drilling techniques, laboratory testing methods, and computer-aided design software to provide precise and efficient geotechnical solutions. This ensures that their clients receive reliable data and recommendations for their construction projects in Sadar Bazar. Furthermore, SCON Design takes a holistic approach to geotechnical investigation services. They consider factors such as the project's location, soil composition, groundwater conditions, and seismic activity to develop customized solutions that meet the specific requirements of each project. Whether it's a residential building, commercial complex, or infrastructure project, SCON Design provides tailored geotechnical investigation services in Sadar Bazar to ensure the structural integrity and safety of the construction. In addition to their technical expertise, SCON Design also emphasizes clear communication and collaboration with their clients. They believe in involving their clients throughout the geotechnical investigation process, from initial site visits to final report delivery. This collaborative approach helps clients understand the geotechnical challenges involved in their projects and enables them to make informed decisions. In conclusion, when it comes to geotechnical investigation services in Sadar Bazar, SCON Design is a trusted name that offers comprehensive solutions tailored to each project's specific requirements.